Morning everybody, it's Pete the Monkey Thrifter here. It's the 18th of March and I've only just found out that there is a tabletop sale literally 2 or 3 miles down the road from where we are. It's just after 10 o'clock and it started at 9. So I'm just going to go down and see what it is. I come a bit late, but I've literally only just found out now on Facebook. Right, so I'll see you down there. Right, so I've just got parked up, just going to cross the road. Right, let's flick it up, shall we? Yeah, Cornerstones, and it's tabletop car boat sale, it says, so that's exactly what we're wanting to have a look at. I thought it was called the Holy Trinity Church. It was a church at one time, I should imagine, something like that. Right, now I don't know if we're going to be able to film inside, but right, so I've just come out. They wouldn't let me film inside. This guy came over, give me a do, cannot film people. He was having a right go at me. So he ran the cafe, so I didn't buy anything from him. But I did get a few things, not a lot. But I did get some. Well, let's go back and we'll see what we got. Right, so back home, yeah. I mean, there wasn't much there. I probably wouldn't have shown the footage anyway. I said, stop filming. I asked if it was okay to film as well. This woman had seen me outside filming as I'm going in, and I thought, I forgot my bag, so I had to go back to the car, got the bag, came back, and she said, have you been taking photos? I was just filming outside. I says, am I allowed to film inside here? She said, you know. And she said, yeah, and then she said, oh no, don't. And then I went, okay, fair enough. Then this bloke came out later on and said, you cannot film this, you know, put it on social media. Go, all right, it's all you've got to do is say, no, you don't film. Fine, don't go away. Anyway, so let's see what we've got. Didn't do too bad. I've got a load of cameras, yeah, my sort of stuff I'm doing. So what's it going to find? This is a Canon. Got a Canon camera. They're not charging up, but I have to get them working. Right, I'll tell you what to do. And that, and then what's this one? This is a Sony. Again, I don't think it's working. Well, it's not. It just needs charging up. Sony camera, another Canon, camera, and a Samsung. This is a Digimax 200. What's this one? A Fuji camera. And a Nikon Coolpix camera as well. And they were £1 each. So they got 6. So £6 to spend. And then she said, oh, you might as well have this as well. So she threw in this old BlackBerry phone with charger, and randomly she said, do you want that as well? She can have that. Label Mate's called. Things like that. About some value in it, I don't know. So that's what I picked that all up from one stall, and then the only thing I picked up from somewhere else was the second. Now, something I don't normally pick up is books, and these are Rachel Renee Russell, Dope Diaries. She said they come under the same sort of thing as the David Walliams stuff and Jacqueline Wilson. I said, okay, so much you want for them? So £3.50. There's 5 of them. I don't know if I've paid up on them or what, I don't know. But we'll see when I look. Right, so yeah, that was me first tabletop sale I've been to, and to be honest with you, I don't think we're going back. It wasn't very good, but never mind. I hope they did all right, and I hope the stallholders did very well. I'm not knocking them whatsoever, and the people that run it as well. Yeah. Right, so that's about it. So from me, Pete the Monkey Thrifter, until next time, oh yeah, before I go, don't forget the usual, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, remember it's free, and hit that notification bell. Right, so from me, Pete the Monkey Thrifter, I just wish you all the best, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.